Sweetie, you about to kick the doors open for one of the coolest events I've ever come across. The Play for Her netball campaign. How did that come about?
The Play for Her netball campaign, it's dedicated to young girls, specifically teenage girls. So I grew up in a child-headed home. So after Sisuka Gog, Sibuya Ngala, my dad had to work ahamba abuya. So it was me, my brother, my sister, and my little sister. So 4. So it's a child-headed home.
Yes.
So songs is schooling, no one is working. So we had to sicela imali basifakele imali sithenge ama-pads, sicela imali basifakele imali sithenge ama-pads. And I was sithenga ama-pads kuphela, we had to buy i-groceries. And you know, mawuthenga i-groceries, it's not ayineli.
No.
And uma ungasebenzi kusi le